Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the API key and required endpoint. Set the key as an environment variable so scripts don't leak credentials. Next, craft a minimal request, correct method, headers including authorization, and the smallest valid payload. Run this first call to confirm authentication and basic response shape. If it fails, inspect status codes. 401 means auth, 400 means payload. Once you see a valid response, you can expand payloads and iterate confidently. You now build real requests and manage data flow. Serialize bodies as JSON and validate types before sending. This prevents 400 errors. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff for transient 5xx issues, and always log request and response payloads securely for debugging. Parse responses into typed objects and validate fields to avoid runtime crashes. Make sure to separate network, parsing, and business logic so you can test each piece independently and deploy safely. You finish by hardening and monitoring your integration. Add rate limit handling and caching to reduce cost and latency. Rotate keys regularly and scope permissions to least privilege. Instrument metrics and set alerts on error rates and latency so you catch regressions early. If something breaks, reproduce the failing request locally, inspect logs, and diff the successful versus failing payloads. One key troubleshooting tip: enable detailed request and response logging briefly to spot header or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.